In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a book cover in Canva. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button at the top right. Click it, and in the search bar that appears, type book cover. This pulls up a preset canvas size and a huge library of ready-made designs. Take a moment to browse the book cover templates. You can scroll, filter by style, and preview anything that catches your eye. When you find a design you like, click it, and it will open right in the Canva editor. Let's customize it so it fits your book. First, change the title. Click directly on the title text on the canvas, select the existing words, and type your book title. If the style isn't quite right, adjust the font style from the font drop-down. Choose something that matches your genre and, most importantly, is easy to read. You can also adjust the font size so the title has strong visual weight without running off the page. Next, add the author name. Click the text box labeled for the author, highlight it, and type the author name. Consider a font or size that complements the title while staying secondary. If the title is bold, a simpler author font often balances the layout nicely. Now, replace the image to match your theme. On the left panel, click Photos or Elements. Use the search bar with keywords like nature, business, or romance to explore options. Drag an image you like straight onto the cover. It will replace the placeholder. If needed, resize the image by dragging the corners and position it so important parts aren't hidden behind the text. Update the colors to finalize the mood. Click the background, then click the color box up top and choose a new color. Aim for good contrast so text remains readable. You can sample colors from your image for a cohesive look. Fine-tune the layout. Drag text up or down until it feels balanced. Resize the image or text to create clear hierarchy, and use Canva's alignment guides to line elements up neatly. Keep comfortable margins so nothing sits too close to the edge. Before exporting, review your cover. Ask yourself, is the title readable at a glance? Is the image clear? Does the layout feel balanced? Zoom out to thumbnail size to simulate an online bookstore listing. When you're happy, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for digital use or PDF for print and click Download. That's your book cover, ready to go.